We are live here at the 63rd Britannia Filmfare Awards South, and I have Akhil here with me. Hi, how are you doing?
Good, how are you?
So you're nominated. How exciting is that for you?
It's a first, so usually I should come supporting my parents or my brother. First time for me, so I'm a little excited.
And they are here?
No, they're not here, they're busy. Can't believe it.
So you're nominated for Debutant.
Yes, best debut.
So what are your thoughts on it? You're thinking you'll win? I'm sure when you're sleeping last night,
You know,
some thoughts running
I'll
through
tell
it.
you something.
Frankly
It's every young actor's dream for sure, or at least mine,
Yeah.
to take that lady home once. It's a beautiful award.
Yeah.
So it's in my head that I really want it, so I'm hoping I get it.
Yes.
When I was 1 year, I'll tell you some info. When I was 1 year old, I got a Best Child Actor award.
When you were 1?
1 year old. So I don't remember. So technically, this is for me my first award.
That you will remember.
So that was my first film for actually.
Okay, so I'm rooting for you then.
Thank you.
Okay, so I'm just gonna ask you some fun questions, and you have to be like very frank here. Okay. Have you played Have you played the game Never Have I Ever? Yeah. So we're not doing shots or anything here, but it's just yes or no.
Sure.
Yes. Never have I ever told on someone.
Never have I told him. Of course I've told him.
Many a time.
Not. I mean, good stuff. Okay, whatever. Yeah. I have.
Okay, this is very interesting. Drunk dialed on my ex.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Many times.
Not many times. But
Couple
yes.
of times?
Yes.
Okay. Used my star status to get out of cop trouble.
Cop trouble.
Yeah. Come on, be frank. You know you used it.
What do you mean trouble? Expressions is it all? Take that.
Yeah, and this is live. There's no editing that's
Sorry,
gonna happen. Yeah?
Sorry, nothing,
Have you-
nothing bad.
Have you ever Googled yourself?
Yes.
Yes? Yes?
I Google myself when I hear something bad about it.
Uh-huh.
You know when the newspapers and they don't clarify with you, that's right.
And that's
First
just to
thing.
mess with your head even more.
Yeah.
Yeah?
They get to me. It really gets
Yeah.
me.
Okay, lied in an interview.
Yes.
Are you lying right now? No?
I
You
think
sure?
I'm pretty frank.
Okay, so what's the first thing that comes to your mind when you hear Filmfare Awards?
Filmfare Awards. The beautiful lady. I don't know that.
You want to take her
I
home
just,
tonight,
yeah, I
don't
want
you?
that. She needs to be my Saturday night date.
Okay, we all are rooting for you, yeah?
Thank you.
First thing that comes to mind when you hear paparazzi.
Invasion of privacy.
Yeah, gets to you?
No, the paparazzi culture is not as much as in Telugu.
Yeah.
I guess it is a lot more in Bombay, but
Yeah.
it can be an invasion of privacy. But luckily, I must compliment the photographers here.
Yeah.
They do to a large extent respect our privacy.
Yeah. Bad
Especially-
pictures they made, just delete.
Yeah. They stick to the events and when we come out in public,
Yeah,
they don't
yeah.
follow us privately.
Okay, so Akhil, love. What comes to mind?
Films. When you love what you're doing, I think that's something incredible.
Yeah.
So,
So you
I
definitely
wanna
love
get
what
back.
you're doing.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay. How would you react if someone walked into a party in the same outfit as you, like ditto, same buttons, same?
I won't let that happen.
How? That's not in your control,
Very,
right?
very much in my control. I would not let that happen.
So you're telling me
Purely-
there are 1,000 people here, you would know before they come here what
They
you're
won't
wearing.
know. They won't know that I went back home and changed and came back.
Oh, so that's it.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a very no. It's a big no-no for me.
Okay. Speaking of buttons,
Yeah.
what if you're on the red carpet and paparazzi's all around and suddenly few buttons pop?
Few buttons pop. I'll do a whoosh and walk.
Oh.
What else to do? Try and be like a
Rajni
hero.
style.
Oh, God.
Okay. If you realized you put on 5 kgs overnight.
I would be happy because I don't put on weight. It's a big,
Yeah.
bit difficult.
And that always happens, right? When you want to put on weight, it doesn't happen. When you want to lose
so
weight,
I'm
it doesn't
trying to
happen.
put on weight now for my film. And
Okay.
it's a big difficulty. It's a big task for me. So I'd like that. Thank you.
Okay. I've done this before. So butter, cheese, chocolates. You're sorted.
All that I would eat. Okay, then
Okay.
I'm going to start eating more cheese.
Okay, it was lovely chatting with you.
Lovely
Thank you
chatting.
for being here
Thank
and enjoy yourself.
Thank you.
And best of luck.
Thank
We're
you.
rooting
Keep
for you.
rooting for me.
Yes.
Thank you.
Bye.
Take
Take
care.
care.